Hello and welcome to another informative episode of Event Update brought to you by the Association of African Universities. Event Update is all about upcoming higher education events and scholarship opportunities in Africa. My name is Isabella Teta Henakwa. The Resource for Development and PSB Academy, in collaboration with the Association of African Universities, AAU, is inviting you to participate in the executive training designed for the governing boards and councils of higher education institutions. This training event will take place in Singapore from 2nd to 9th October 2023. The executive training aims to provide a conducive environment for busy higher education executives to contemplate and address emerging challenges and trends affecting the realm of higher education. Participants will have the opportunity to engage in discussions regarding the influence of emerging technologies on the delivery of higher education. Also, the training aims to foster meaningful connections within the higher education sphere to encourage collaborative efforts and knowledge sharing across continents. Interested applicants are to register via the link on the screen, and for more information, email the address or visit the link on the screen. Applications are open for the second cohort of the Carleton University Queen Elizabeth Scholarship. This opportunity is targeted at accomplished scholars from West Africa, specifically those who are in the final stages of their PhD program, as well as postdoctoral researchers and early career academics associated with academic institutions. The scholarship seeks to facilitate a research acceleration experience and to offer participants a comprehensive package that encompasses research supervision, specialized seminars, and hands-on learning through research proposals that are aligned with the thematic focus of the placement opportunities. It also aims to foster leadership skills and facilitate the development of professional networks. Interested candidates must be women and citizens of West African countries and must fall within the categories of doctoral researchers, postdoctoral researchers, or early career researchers. Applicants are to register before 20th September 2023 via the link on the screen, and for more information, email the address or visit the link on the screen. The Africa Center of Excellence is at Obafemi Awolowo University, Nigeria, in partnership with the Islamic University in Uganda, IUIU, is inviting you to participate in a comprehensive 2-week workshop on cybersecurity. This workshop is scheduled to take place from 18th to 22nd September 2023 at the IUIU Kampala campus. Expected participants are individuals regularly engaged in various ICT responsibilities, including security, network, database, and system administration, as well as academic researchers specializing in the field of cybersecurity. Interested participants are to register via the link on the screen, and for more information, contact the numbers on the screen. You're still watching Event Update on AAU TV, brought to you by the Association of African Universities. You can follow us on our social media handles at Association of African Universities on Facebook and YouTube, and our dedicated website at tv.aau.org. Moving on. The Johannesburg Institute for Advanced Studies, JIAS, is calling for applications for the JIAS Writing Fellowship 2024, designed for emerging creative writers and scholars from various disciplines to join as writing fellows. Each selected fellow will dedicate their time to advance their individual projects while enjoying valuable interactions with fellow writing peers, as well as the privilege of engaging with a community of scholars and writers from universities in Johannesburg and the broader Carleton region. For more information, email the address or call the number or visit the link on the screen. Applications are open for the 11th International Travel Demand Management Symposium, TDM 2023, organized by the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology in collaboration with Edinburgh Napier University under the theme Global Challenges and TDM, Opportunities for Future Development. This symposium is a hybrid event offering both virtual participation and in-person attendance in Kumasi, Ghana, from 18th to 20th September 2023. The goal of this conference is to facilitate the exchange of ideas and foster networking among researchers spanning from Europe, the USA, and other counterparts in sub-Saharan Africa. It also aims to serve as a platform for cultivating collaboration and synergy between academics, researchers, policymakers, and industry professionals. Interested applicants are to visit the link on the screen for more information. The African Union Youth Volunteer Corps, AUYVS, a Pan-African initiative focused on nurturing young leadership through recruitment, training and deployment of young African professionals from all 55 member states of the African Union, is calling for individuals to serve as dedicated professional volunteers. To be eligible, applicants must be citizens of AU member states residing within the continent or the diaspora, should be 18 to 35 years of age, and must hold a certified post-secondary qualification. Applicants should be available for the duration of 2023 to 2024 to engage in a year-long professional volunteer commitment and be open to reside and work within another AU member state and be proficient in at least one of the AU working languages. Certified candidates are to apply online through the AU career website with an updated professional CV, a copy of bio page of their passport or national ID, a certified copy of highest completed qualification, a cover letter, and a letter of recommendation. All applications must be submitted before 9th September 2023. Visit the link on the screen for more information. Thank you for sticking with us. Event Update is brought to you by the Association of African Universities. Follow us on our social media handles at Association of African Universities on Facebook and YouTube, AUTV_African Universities on Twitter, and AUTV Official on Instagram, and also our dedicated website at tv.aau.org. My name is Isabella Teta Hinakwa. Have a nice day.